This thing is scary, man.
I'm gonna go ahead and
This is like my fourth time to fucking drop in right here. Fourth time.
Get off my lawn!
Well, my channel, I probably started it maybe almost 2 years ago. I got like, I don't know, maybe 20 something videos. One of my favorite videos on there is my 30 tricks before 30.
Oh, nice.
That took me 3 months to do. 30 brand new tricks that I've never done before. My favorite one on there is a 540.
Wow.
And man,
Tell them why we're calling this the Lou Krew.
the Lou Krew, because I'm the oldest of the group. I'm 30, and I planned this trip for us like a month ahead ago. Sometimes we go to like Odessa and Midland and Abilene, but we've never been here all together.
Oh,
I've been here by myself, but I've been to Alliance.
Oh yeah.
The Alliance, and me and Lee J, we skate over there in the Renewk Park.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that park's sick.
And it's my birthday weekend, so we're like, we gotta come out and have a good time. Appreciate it.
How old?
24.
24. All right, you're getting there.
Could be a good night in Dallas.
Oh yeah.
Real good night, baby.
Skate night.
We got like 3 hours of sleep coming over here.
Oh dang.
We left around like 6 o'clock, about 5:30. Got here about around 11:30. Didn't go to bed until like about 3 in the morning.
Dang.
Yeah, we're skating around the hotel.
Where are you staying?
American Best Value.
Okay.
Cheap hotel.
Oh yeah, no, dude.
Yeah.
That's
We skated around there.
exactly. Exactly, man.
Let's go hit that bowl now.
All right.
Let's go hit that bowl. I won't need a helmet for that one. 12 feet, man.
Yeah, I think it's 12. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Awesome. Like, it's always been a dream for me to be like a legit vert skater, and I just want to I just want to fly, you know what I mean?
Hell yeah.
That's what I want to do. That's a good start for me, man. If I lived here, shoot, I'd be on that ramp like every day.
Yeah.
And my favorite skater is Rune Cliffberg.
Oh, no way.
He's the reason why I skate flip.
Oh, okay.
I skate our Tony Hawk Pro Skater, the Nintendo 64, and in 1999, that's what got me into skating.
Oh, really? That's a great story.
Tony Hawk Pro Skater. I played it on it was actually on PlayStation. It was on the Pizza Hut demo, where it had Crash Bandicoot and Tony Hawk Pro Skater, and it only had like 2 levels: the Chicago and the Warehouse. And man, I just fell in love with that game. I played like Rune Cliffler. He does the Christ Stare.
Oh yeah.
I did a version of a Christ Stare in my 30 for 30 video, but it's not as high as him. I do it off of a launch ramp.
That's still pretty impressive, man. Did you have any older people?
No one even taught me how to skate.
Really?
Dude, I live on a ranch out in the middle of nowhere, and before I could even afford a skateboard, because my parents didn't, they weren't really like into it for me. I started. I had it's just like a shingle for a building. One side was slick and the other side had texture. I would use that and I would slide down dirt hills, and I would get it like nice and smooth, and I would get on it and I'd jump, fucking slide down hills. That's what got me into it. That's how I started learning my balance. My first skateboard, my mom got it in a garage sale. $13, had plastic trucks. It was a Nash board.
Yes.
It was a piece of crap, man. After that, in my 7th grade, one of my buddies, he got me is either 7th or 6th grade, he got me a Walmart board.
Oh yeah.
Started practicing the kick flips on it. I landed a kick flip, and I did it again. I broke that board in half. It didn't last very long. I skated a crap load of Walmart boards until 2003. That's when I got my first flip board, and I've been pretty much skating flip ever since.
Nice.
All my walls mainly flip boards.
Wow.
I have a Bob Burnquist board. It has an autograph by Bucky Lassick and Ryan Sheckler.
No way.
Yeah, it's bamboo. Got a bamboo layer on it.
Very nice.
And my Rune Cliffberg, that's my pride and joy one. It's a Viking one. That's the 2014 board. And I have another one that's Rune Cliffberg, but that's a 2016 model. It has the red elephants on it.
Oh yeah.
I skated that board that had DKL grip tape.
Yeah.
I skated it. That shit's pretty good, man. But the only bad thing, if you get dust on it, it turns slick. But it saves your shoes. It saves your shoes. I use that shit. They updated the adhesive on it because the old one, it would peel And all I do, I'd use a fucking super glue. I would super glue all around it. That way it wouldn't peel on me. And it lasted a long time, man. I had the same pair of shoes for 9 months.
Wow.
It's probably the longest I've ever had my shoes. Trying to be YouTube famous one day, maybe.
You guys want to tell me a little bit about your crew here?
Wow, well, we're from Lubbock, Texas, which is kind of a shithole. But we make do with what we got.
It's a tag right here.
Yeah, hashtag Depot.
Okay.
If you ever out there, we got a DIY off of like the interstate in like Erskine.
Nice.
Should check it out. But
We've been skating together for a couple of years now.
yeah.
Known each other since we were about kids, grew up and started getting a lot more better as it is now, man.
Sweet.
Oh yeah.
Awesome, man.
It's been fun as hell.
Been skating about 16 years.
16 years.
16 years, man. Started.
It takes 16 years of skating to drop in on that.
Oh yeah, it takes 16 years to drop in something like that, man.
Hey,
We ain't got none of this in Lubbock.
Right?
Yeah.
Isn't it 16?
Yeah, how tall is this thing?
Is just a bit.
That is, I think, 12 feet.
Oh,
Wow.
Tony Hawk's ran 13.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, y'all got a really cool skate park here.
Thank you. Yeah, I heard you guys went to the point earlier.
Man,
Yeah,
that was awesome.
We're at the
I like
point.
Louisville the
We're
best
at
though.
Louisville this
Yeah.
morning.
Man,
Yeah, Louisville's killer.
We got up at like 7 o'clock.
Yep, we
Had
woke up
3
this
hours
morning
of
at
sleep.
7.
Nice.
6 actually to
Yeah,
get
you
breakfast.
get there before all the kids on the scooters. and
Oh,
everything.
yeah.
It was fun, man. We loved it. And then we get to come out here. We went to the point. The point was awesome. We bought us a deck from the point.
Oh, nice.
Got us something to take home so everybody knows we went to the point shop.
Nice, very nice. They got some killer shop decks
Hell
there.
yeah. They got the Milwaukee
Oh, yeah.
letters now. That's tight.
yeah.
That's real tight.
Yeah, it is. Have you dropped in on this bad boy yet?
No, I'm scared.
That's too scary.
You can see I'm holding on to the end.
We're over
Just
there.
look
We ain't
down.
over here.
I get that, man.
You just gotta freaking just do it, man. You can't be scared. You just gotta do it.
Just commit
Go
to
down,
it.
commit. Woo, it's so fun.
Got one.
We're down right here, guys. Support the locals.
Nice.
We're down.
All right, what do you guys think about your Dallas trip so far?
Fun, been fun, really fun. Locals are really cool.
I don't want to go back to Lubbock. I want to stay and skate here.
Hey, shout out Depot. Shout out to the Giza skaters.
All right. Is that a heroin board you're riding?
Just got it from Point.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Nice.
I was skating the Jason Lee, the Cal Peralta Jason Lee,
Oh, yeah.
and I like the shape, so I had to get this one. Kind of the same shape, so
Yeah, that's killer, man.
a little bit bigger.